we
it
were
gets bigger as the water goes down, so it gets pretty big.
We were on EOS and we went cliff diving. There were people doing like 50-foot dive in, and they didn't even know. You know, it's crazy.
I jumped off like a 40-foot one in Maine into the river.
Everybody made fun of me because I would only do the 25-foot one.
You never know how deep it is.
They're going to fall backwards. They're going to fall backwards. Time to go. Mom, it's time to go.
No, your brothers are about to jump off that cliff. Don't you want to watch? Put that rod in the world back.
I just really want to paddle.
Look, he's gonna jump, Jump!
Jump! Mom, you need to take a picture of them up there.
Tell me when you're going, Davey, so I can take a picture. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, jump!
Whoa!
Can you get it?
Dad, is it cold?
Yes.
Look at me, cold man.
I'm just gonna get in for a little bit. I'm just gonna get in and get out.
No.
You have to find us!
It's really deep over there.
1, 2, 3, jump!
Bigger step out, Jack.
You're all right, buddy.
That would have given me a heart attack if I was his mom.
Keep kicking. There you go.
Wow! Whew. I would be doing that.
Hey, Jackson, big step out.
Ready? You ready? 2, 1, jump!
Right on, Jack! Woohoo! Look at you, crazy kid.
Wow.
Here, Dave, hold him for a second.
Oh man, that was...
Hold on, I gotta get a picture.
Oh, I hit my butt.
Yeah, you went a little side.
Am I in the middle?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Oh.
Big step, Ben, big step.
And like, I jumped off, I'm like, oh no, no.
2, 1.
His arms rattling on that one. Come here, buddy. Good job.
Oh, Ben, wasn't that awesome? Can't they just
That's a good tight turn right there, bud.
What?
That's a good tight turn.
You get to go off that rock and swim if you want to.
Yeah.
This is like extreme. Mom, I just want to jump in the water and swim for a little bit.
Do they do it more than once?
Oh.
That was a little sideways.
That was fun.
That was fun. I'll do it.
We heard that one.
I opened my eyes.
Guide.
That was awesome.
That was good work.
I want to jump up the kids one too.
Okay, so let's
Hey, I need to sit to my boat. And then you're like trying to get up, you look up and you're like, let me go sit to my boat.
maybe he's not bringing anybody else. Let's go ahead and do the kids jump.
Max, you want to do the kids jump?
I want to do the kids jump. Mom, I want to do the kids jump.
Where's the kids jump from?
It's just right there. She'll be right by him.
That's the kid rock? Yeah. I want to do that one too.
Go do it, buddy.
Huh?
Do it. Yeah.
Done it again?
Jump.
Jump.
Would he?
Yeah, if he goes by, I'll go.
Hey, don't
2, 1.
catch it for a second.
Nice one, Dad.
Woohoo!
Oh, yeah, that was cool.
You're good.
See, this is, you know how to pull them out of the water, right? Just like this. You stick your fingers in and you pull them right up
Open your eyes
over the
right
raft.
impact and you're like, oh, okay.
I've had to do that before.
But I have to take
My
this
friend
one.
fell out the first
No,
time.
you don't take
You
anything
have
else.
to keep it. Otherwise, you can go in the water and not come out. And then this keeps you up.
Slide over.
This keeps you floating. In the
Oh,
water.
that's so scary.
You come on this side, okay? Jump then get the opposite.
Max, the rocks are kind of slippery, so you watch your foot, okay?
Is he gonna jump off the little? Okay.
Dad, he's not thinking about it. I know, but
Andrew.
I'm just saying. What? That way, dude.
You can do it! Say, I am woman, hear me roar and jump.
Yeah!
You can do it!
Mom, we need a girl! I need a girl to do it!
You go do it then.
Come on!
Alright, I'll go do it.
One big step.
I'm ready to move.
Stay close to the boat, buddy, and then close to the edge, okay?
Okay.
Come right up here. Andrew.
He's coming.
On there.
Go, Kylie, go!
That's my sister too.
Max, watch where you're going.
Wait, there's another person jumping.
Yeah, put your,
Yeah!
step with your right foot, Max. There you go.
Be careful, guys.
Put
You
your
need
weight
some
on your right
support.
foot, Max. There you go. Step up. You're good, buddy. You got it. No, go on the rock. You gotta go further
At
out.
least she's braver than me.
I need to give you my email so you can send me those videos.
Sure, definitely, definitely.
Because I don't think I got Ben's picture. I don't think it's not.
Huh?
He videotaped you guys.
Iman?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you have to take his jacket off.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, guys. Need
Max,
support.
just get your hand.
Alright! Yeah, you can do it!
Easy.
1, 2,
Here we go.
3, 1, 2, 3, go! Woo!
Good job!
Woo!
Go, girl!
That was awesome.
Wow!
Good job. We're okay, buddy.
He's got sheer panic on his
You're
face.
good. You're good. You're good. You're good. I know it's cold. Come here. Come here.
I feel like doing it too. The kids one.
Yeah, go do the kid one.
I'm so afraid.
No, don't be afraid.
You really did. Hey, can you help me?
This keeps you up.
I need to get to my other boat.
Alright.
But it's too cold.
You wanna come up here and go?
Well, I need to get to my other boat.
So do you wanna
Oh, that's so much deeper than you expect.
I know.
Wait, that what?
It's just deep. You're fine.
Oh, that's so
It's just a deep.
It's too cold. I'm like, what are my feet in? That is so cold.
That was awesome. You guys did it.
Very cold. Whoa.
Oh, Dave.
Wow.
He just broke your sunglasses.
Broke my sunglasses.
I was pulling him up.
Come on. Come on.
So sorry.
My last bear.
I know.
So he wants to do it?
Hey, Aaron. Aaron.
Yeah.